Charlotte McLeod with Resource Investing News, and here today with me at the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference is Mickey Falk, the Mercenary Geologist. Thank you for joining me.
Thanks once again.
Oh, great. So you mentioned last month that stock valuations tend to go down in December, and I wanted to ask, did we see that in 2014, and where did we see the most opportunities?
Yeah, so we've noticed that 11, 12 of the last 13 years that the market has hit its bottom somewhere in mid-December, and then it has a rally into the new year, and we've seen that this year. We probably haven't seen the rally as boisterous as we usually do after January 1, but that's probably because we've had this turmoil in commodities markets, but it's a little better now, so yeah, the prediction came to pass.
Yeah, okay, and so far in 2015 we have seen gold doing pretty well, especially since last week with the Switzerland announcement. So were you surprised by that? Do you see gold continuing to go up?
Well, gold started really trading in conjunction with the U.S. dollar in mid-December, and that's very unusual, where the dollar index goes up and gold goes up. And so I have a piece coming out very soon on that very subject. So yes, I am a bit surprised. The last time that we have been able to find that gold went up in conjunction with an increasing dollar index, or it was in January, February of 2009. So yes, I'm a bit surprised, but I'm pretty happy about it.
Yeah, okay, good. Also, so last time we spoke, you said you're always a uranium bull, and so far in 2015 we've seen some exciting news. We had fission resource estimate and an acquisition. So is that exciting for you?
Well, absolutely, and fission has an amazing discovery. Bear in mind, it's a long way from being a mine, it's
right.
Probably 15 years or longer, but it is a very significant discovery in the Athabasca Basin. The other thing we saw was the Energy Fuel Uraners acquisition, and I'm pleased as punch about that one, because I'm a previous shareholder of both Energy Fuels and Uraners, and with the evaluation for Uraners, I'm essentially averaging down for Energy Fuels. So very excited about that. I think we will continue to see consolidation, especially in the domestic U.S. uranium industry.
Oh, perfect. Okay. On a different note, you said in a recent note that years ending in 7 tend to be good for the junior resource sector. So how does that work, and why should we be thinking about that now in 2015?
No, I don't know how it works. It's just an observation that we have hit in the junior resource sector. We hit decade-long highs in 1987, 1997, 2007. We go into various possible reasons for that. It's not especially clear. I would encourage people to read the musing to get some background on the reasons. But then that goes, and so the speculation becomes, will we hit a market high in 2017? And the scenario would involve a better market in 2015, a bull market coming on in 2016, and a market top in 2017 with a fall off perhaps in 2018. So it's just an observation, food for thought, and we'll see what comes to pass there.
Okay. All right, and finally, we're a couple of hours, I think, from the end of this conference. What has your impression been this year?
Well, there's a lot more companies than I thought. They put on a very good show. It's been very well attended, especially today, which is a working day in downtown Vancouver, which tends to, the professionals start coming in. And so I'm very happy with the show. It's been very productive for a lot of us.
Oh, good. Okay, well, thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks a lot, Charlotte. Always my pleasure.
Good. And I'm Charlotte McLeod with Resource Investing News.